In this Fusion 360 tutorial, we will be drawing this figure. So create sketch, and let's create the sketch from the bottom plane. And then let's do a circle, a center point circle from the origin. So draw one circle, and then right across it, draw another circle. Doesn't matter what the dimensions are. We are going to dimension it next. So this circle should be 4 inches. And this other circle should also be 4 inches in diameter. Next, we need to dimension the centers of the circle. So from one center, click to the other center of the circle, and then type 8 inches. So they should be 8 inches apart. And then where the constraints are, choose horizontal, vertical. Click on the center of this first circle, and then click on the center of the other circle to constrain them. Now choose 2-point rectangle. I will move my cursor in the middle of the first circle and slowly move it up so I could get the center of that. So I could get like this part of my first circle. And then I go through the center point of the second circle, not clicking anything, but just moving down straight and then click. So the lines of this rectangle is still blue, which means we need to dimension it. So the first one, this top line should be 8, and this vertical line should be 4. And now all our lines are constrained. So finish my sketch, and then click on that house. And then let's press pull. Click on all the enclosed shapes. And then drag up to 2 inches. So type 2, press enter. So the first part of my drawing is done. I now need to do another sketch on the top view of this body. And I will choose center diameter circle, and I will draw 2 circles. First one, I'll have to line it up here where the center of my first circle was made. So I'll draw one circle here, and I'll draw another circle right about here. So let's dimension the circle. This circle should be 2 inches in diameter. And as you can see, it's now colored black. The line's colored black because I started at the center point of this arc right here. And then now I'll dimension this one 2 inches as well, but you'll see that it won't turn, the line won't turn black, not just yet. What we're gonna do is we are going to dimension between the centers of the 2 circles, that center and then this center, and then pull down. This should be 4. So 4 inches, and then press enter. Still, it's not fully constrained. So the next thing I can do is I could do horizontal vertical again. I could click here at the center of this circle and then the center of this circle. And as you can see now, it's fully constrained. I'll choose 2-point rectangle, and I'll do what we did in the previous step. Try to get that part of the first circle, move to the center of the second circle, and then just pull down. And then dimension this. This should be 4. And then this here should be 2 inches. Now I could finish the sketch since all of the lines are now in black. And then I could go click press pull. And then this time I'm pushing downwards. So it's a negative sign, so -2. Here's how my figure looks like right now. I'm almost done. I just need to draw another figure here at the top view. Choose center diameter circle, and you could actually see the origin right here. So I'm just going to start drawing a circle from there going out like that. Okay, but it's not fully constrained, so we could go ahead and just click here and then say 4 inches, and now it's fully constrained. So I finished the sketch and press pull on this circle, and we want this to go up by 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. So type 4, enter. Okay, last thing. Draw another circle on top of this. Let me do that again. So click. There you go. So select circle. And this circle should be just 2 inches. So click, drag, 2 inches. Finish my sketch. And then use press pull again to just push downwards for 6 inches, -6 inches. And there you go. This one is fully done. So go ahead and hit save and just call this circle 4. Hit save.